Hello everyone, this is Sai. So today we are talking about branching strategy in Copado. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So I have a playground with me where I will show you when I create a user story, how the feature branch is getting created, how the promotion branch, so some stuff. Okay, so I'm just creating a new user story over here, and we can give some title for that. When exactly the feature branch is getting created, right? So outside of Copado, which you know already, we need to create some feature branch, meaning developer need to create a feature branch manually and he need to push his changes to VS Code or somewhere. Somehow he has to bring the changes to the feature branch. But in Copado, we are not creating any branch manually. Instead, Copado itself will create the branches automatically. We are going to see that. So I'm just creating a user story. And when you create a user story, if you observe, there is a hyperlink view in Git. This is a certification question also, interview question as well. View in Git. This is what your hyperlink for the feature branch. When you navigate to this, you won't see any feature branch as such initially because no commits happen. So even though hyperlink is present, in your GitHub, feature branch will not be present. So the feature branch will be created only upon first successful commit. Okay. So let me show you, let me show you the commit. I will just open my dev.org and let us create a small change and we can see how the feature branch is getting created. So if I open, let's say developer console, I will just create a page. Okay, this is already there. Maybe I'll just add a line. And this component I wanted to deploy. So in my user story, I'm going to go commit this change and my file name is test page A. So I will commit this to my user story. Now in the backend, as this is the first commit, Copado will create a feature branch from master. So if you see this flowchart, from dev1 I have committed just now. When you do the commit, Copado will create a branch, a feature branch from the master like this. So your feature branch will be created. It will be cut off from your master branch. And your changes, your commits will be part of the feature branch as well as your dev org branch. So the third step is merging into dev1 org branch also. So the certification question here, any commits will be part of how many branches? Your feature branch and your source branch. For every org you have branch, right, in the GitHub. So if I show you my GitHub, in your repository, you have main dev1, dev2, UAT, right, hotfix like that. For every org, there will be a branch. We'll call it as org branches. Okay. Along with the org branches, you have feature branch and promotion branch in Copado. That's it. No release branch, nothing. And initially you will create the org branches, but thereafter feature branch, promotion branch is automatic by Copado. Okay. If you observe, let's say any other developer created any other maybe his own feature branch, I mean his own user story. If he commits something, again for his story, a branch will be created from master, and his changes will be part of his feature branch and his own source branch. So feature branches will be created only once and upon first successful commit. Thereafter, if you see here, maybe my commit will be done already. Now, if I open my feature branch, if I refresh this, see my feature branch is available. and feature branch is one commit ahead of main, meaning this feature branch is cloned from main and your changes are present here. If I see this commit, you will see the exact change. So I did this page and the change has been present. Okay, so like this our changes will be present in our feature branch. Okay, now when you deploy this to the next arc, so if I click on promote and deploy, now I'm deploying to UAT arc in my pipeline dev1 to UAT. Now what is happening in the backend? If you observe, like there will be a promotion branch created by Copado. So these are commits are done under user story commits. We can navigate. Commits are done, and when we click on promote and deploy, there will be section user story promotions. A promotion is created here. The promotion record will be created and promotion branch also will be created. Now, if we see the diagram, let's see here in this flow chart, if you observe, I'm deploying to promotion UAT. So now Copado will create a promotion branch. The first step is promotion branch. So the feature branch is created from your master. We saw that. The same way now promotion branch, it will be cloned from your target branch here. If you are deploying to UAT, UAT is your target, right? So cloning your UAT branch and it creates a promotion branch for you. And your feature branch changes will be merged to the promotion branch, and the promotion branch will be used for the deployment. After successful deployment to UAT sandbox, then the changes will be merged to UAT branch. So in Copado, post deployment to the arc, the changes will be merged to the branch. So we are not going to merge our changes to the branch manually. You can create a pull request, but approval after PR approval, you should not merge the changes. Let Copado merge the changes post deployment. So only two: feature branch, promotion branch. That's it. Feature branch clone from master. Any number of commits you do, like we did page commit. After that second commit, you can do any other commit, right? Any other component. Any number of commits, it will be appended to the same feature branch. So one feature branch per user story, and that is unique. Because user story number is unique, your branch is also unique. But promotion, when you consider promotion, one promotion per deployment it is, right? So this promotion will not be used for the production deployment. Let's say if you are deploying to production, what is the destination branch for production? It is obviously master. So it will clone your master and creates your promotion, your feature branch. Obviously production, we don't deploy single user story, right? So one promotion can have multiple user stories, right? All the respective user stories feature branches will be merged. It could be 30 user stories. Let's say 30 feature branches changes will be merged to the promotion branch, and this promotion will be used for the deployment. Only after successful deployment, it will be merged to the destination branch, right? If the deployment fails, your changes will not be part of the destination branch. Okay. And maybe outside of Copado, let's say Azure DevOps, Bitbucket, sometimes like their branching strategy would be once you merge your changes to the target branch, once you merge your pull request, then your pipeline will trigger the build into the arc. But here it's a different scenario. Only after arc deployment, the changes will be merged to the master branch, sorry, the respective branch. Okay. So the same way, if it is back promotion, let's say from dev to, dev 1 to, if I show you my diagrams here in this, say, from dev 1 to INT, you deployed something, UAT production like that. If we are back promoting to dev 2, what is the destination for the best back promotion? Dev 2 would be your destination. So your promotion will be cloned from your dev 2 branch and your feature will be appended and it will be merged. So once after deploying to dev to org, then the dev to branch will be updated. Like that, post deployment, the branches will be updated. So that is all about promotion branch. Okay. So there is no other branches. Okay. No feature, no release branches, nothing. Org branches, feature branch, promotion branch. Let us see if our deployment is completed. And see, the deployment is completed. Now, if I see, if I refresh, you can see the history. See, UAT has pushes, Devon has pushes, and your main branch. Like if it is as we deploy to UAT, UAT branch also got uploaded 3 minutes ago. You can see, go to the respective file and see. So like that, now the promotion branch is there. When I go to user story promotions, dev1 to UAT, one promotion is there. Let's say if this is failed, you created another promotion, one more record. From UAT to master, one more record. From UAT to dev to another record. So like that, one user story can have multiple promotions, right? And as I showed you, we cannot assure only this promotion as you deployed this user story alone, your promotion have only one story. But if you are deploying from pipeline manager, one promotion can have multiple stories, right? Yeah. So that is all about the branching strategy in Copado. Okay. Only the key creation of the feature branch, promotion branch, all this plays a major role. And let us say if something deployed to the org, sorry, if something is available in the branch but not in the org, right? You need to troubleshoot in those scenarios. If something is deployed but not available in the org means you can see the branch. So something is available in the branch but not in the org means maybe some permission issue, because post deployment to the org only the branch will be updated, right? So that's why the backend concept you need to understand how the branches are getting created, and we are not creating feature branch, promotion branch manually. Okay, these things you have to aware. Cool. Thank you so much. For any questions, do drop your comments or join my Telegram channel. And there I can answer you if you have any open questions. Thank you so much.